creek.
One of the things we wanted to have up here is a small trailer to tow behind the four-wheeler. So when we were running down into the property or down the roads to get wood or clear logs or trees that fall, like if you saw the video from earlier this year where we road clearing extravaganza, where we had to clear the whole road, we left a lot of fallen trees off the side of the road there, and we want to go back and cut those up and grab all that firewood and stuff and bring it back up. So we can do that with the truck, which is fine, but it'd be really nice to have a small cart that the four-wheeler can tow. Since we're clearing a trail, if you look at the last video where we're clearing a trail down to the creek and to the lower landing where the elk hang out, that trail will be wide enough for the four-wheeler so we can pull this cart behind it and we'll be able to haul building supplies or whatever we want to do down to the creek area or down to that lower landings. We are about to assemble this super cool cart. We ordered this off of, actually I ordered it from the big box hardware stores, pick your brand. This is a trailer, it's called a Polar HD 1500. It's from a company called Clam Outdoors, who again don't sponsor us, but hey, if you want to send me another trailer to try out, you know, on my channel, I'd happily do that, give you all kinds of great reviews. Assuming your stuff doesn't suck. No, it doesn't. This is really well built, it's really large. So we're gonna assemble that right now and get it all set up to hitch behind the four-wheeler.
Little flies.
Little tiny one.
Yes. Wow. Like a nice tire.
Look at these sweet wheels and tires. This is going to be absolutely excellent. Here it is, the 1500 Polar trailer. One tough trailer. It's actually a dump bed, so this piece here swivels back and forth, and then you can release this lever and dump the bed. And then it's got a standard type small tractor hitch, so instead of having like a ball hitch, which can be a real pain, it's just got a pin that you shove through this slot, which the four-wheeler actually has the receiver for that exact thing, and so do most tractors, small tractors. I also really love how these wheels attach and detach. It's super quick, these just quick pins that lock down. I love these. Another great thing they did was they gave you an extra bolt, nut, and washer for every piece. So you have one extra of everything. Most people don't do that, which is great, because if you lose one or strip one, you're all set.
You should wait until it's biscuit.
There, you can see how it all hitches up. Let's go fill the cart with some stuff. call Bear Road. We call it Bear Road because all the bear sign is on it. It's not a cleared road yet. It's an old logging road. We cleared some stuff out of it to get the four-wheeler through a couple weeks ago, but as we walk through here, definitely lots of bear signs. So we know he or many bears travel through here. The game camera has not caught one yet, but we're gonna travel down there and get some wood to throw in the cart, try it out. Look, grouse. Well, that worked awesome. It towed very well. Made lots of noise to scare bears. It's perfect. We got a bunch of wood from the clearing we did. There's a ton more down there, but it's late and we're hungry, so we're gonna come back and eat, but we did want to try it out, so worked great. Also can show you the dump bed. Let's try that out. Now I would just pull forward and it would all fly out, but I already turned it off, so we'll do it manually.
You're saying?
Yeah. I almost died.